Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best spark plugs for performance and reliability in 2024. If you're looking to improve your vehicle's efficiency and power, you've come to the right place. We'll review the top spark plugs on the market, highlighting their features and benefits. Stay tuned to find the perfect spark plug for your engine. Number 5. The BOSCH 6707OE Fine Wire Platinum Spark Plug Pack of 4 is an impressive choice for those looking to enhance their vehicle's performance. With its Iridium-enhanced ground electrode, this spark plug offers twice the service life compared to standard copper plugs, making it a cost-effective investment. Installation is a breeze since these plugs come pre-gapped, eliminating any guesswork. The 360-degree laser-welded fine wire design not only improves ignition, but also enhances corrosion resistance. Users have reported quick installation times, often getting their cars back up and running in record time. One satisfied customer noted, "My car fired up immediately," reflecting the reliability of these plugs. Additionally, the ribbed insulator design prevents misfires caused by flashover, and the nickel-plated rolled threads resist corrosion, ensuring a secure fit without the need for anti-seize. Compatible with various models from brands like Acura, Chrysler, Dodge, and Honda, the BOSCH 6707 spark plugs cater to a wide range of vehicles. Overall, these spark plugs deliver excellent performance and longevity, making them a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Number 4. The Autolite Iridium XP 5683 spark plugs for pack offer exceptional performance and durability, making them a reliable choice for vehicle owners. Built with Iridium core material and a 0.6 mm fine wire Iridium center wire tip, these spark plugs ensure maximum fuel efficiency and improved ignition. This design reduces fuel consumption, helping drivers save money at the pump. One of the standout features of these plugs is their extended change interval, designed to last up to 100,000 miles depending on the engine type. This makes them one of the most durable spark plugs available, providing long-term reliability and reducing the need for frequent replacements. Users have noted that these spark plugs are a more economical replacement compared to OEM parts while delivering consistent, optimal performance. Additionally, the platinum-protected ground wire and V-trimmed ground electrode enhance ignitability, ensuring better durability and overall efficiency. The laser-welded technology further improves focused ignition, which results in smooth engine performance. Autolite has been a trusted name since 1936, and the XP5683 model continues this legacy with a blend of performance and affordability. Whether for fuel savings or long-lasting durability, these spark plugs are a solid upgrade for many car models. Number 3. The NGK 3186G Power Platinum Spark Plugs offer high-performance reliability for a range of vehicles, especially older models. Designed with platinum core material and a 14 by 1.25 mm thread size, these spark plugs ensure a clean, efficient ignition, which enhances engine performance and fuel economy. The G-Power Platinum design provides a wider heat range, making them ideal for vehicles prone to high-temperature conditions. One of the unique features is the triple gasket sealing process, which eliminates the risk of combustion gas leakage, a common issue with some spark plugs. This design not only enhances durability, but also prevents carbon buildup and pre-ignition. Users have noted that these plugs fit perfectly, with a preset gap that simplifies installation. According to reviews, users observed smoother performance in vehicles like the 1994 Ford Ranger 2.3L and 2008 Silverado, with an easy installation process. Many users also appreciated the affordable price point compared to other brands, offering a high-value alternative without sacrificing quality. Overall, NGK's G-Power Platinum plugs deliver impressive durability, affordability, and efficient ignition, making them a worthwhile choice for both everyday drivers and performance enthusiasts. Number 2. The DENSO 3324 Iridium Long Life Spark Plugs offer top-tier performance and durability, making them an excellent choice for motorcycles and vehicles. With an Iridium core, these spark plugs are designed to last longer and deliver consistent ignition. The 4-pack includes genuine DENSO parts, ensuring quality and compatibility as direct replacement parts. One of the standout features of these plugs is their long life, which is particularly beneficial for high-mileage vehicles. For example, one user replaced the original plugs on a 2004 Prius with 220k miles and reported maintaining the same impressive 50 to 55 mpg fuel efficiency after the installation. The installation process is straightforward, and it's important to note that anti-seize is not required for certain vehicles like Toyota models, as it can lead to over-torquing. Another user who installed these on a 2006 Prius noticed a slight improvement in performance and fuel efficiency. The spark plugs fit perfectly and offered a smooth driving experience. Overall, the DENSO 3324 Iridium long-life spark plugs are a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's performance and efficiency, with the added benefit of long-lasting durability. Number 1. The BMW Spark Plugs Plug Set Laser Platinum NGK OEM 3199 6PCS is an excellent choice for BMW and many enthusiasts seeking long-lasting, OEM-quality spark plugs. These NGK spark plugs feature a platinum core designed to deliver reliable ignition and excellent fuel efficiency, making them perfect for high-mileage vehicles. Users have praised these spark plugs for their quality and authenticity, noting that they are genuine OEM parts that align with BMW's factory specifications. One reviewer used them in a 2005 Mini Cooper S convertible and mentioned they expect these to last up to 100,000 miles based on previous experiences. Another user, who installed these in a 2005 BMW 325ci Cabriolet with an M54 engine, appreciated the perfect fit and compatibility with the BMW's engine, making for a smooth and easy replacement. These plugs are particularly beneficial for those looking to maintain their car's performance, with platinum providing improved durability and efficiency over standard plugs. While the 6-pack size is better suited for BMW models, many owners who only need 4 plugs still found them to be a great value. For BMW or Mini owners looking for reliable performance and longevity, these NGK Laser Platinum plugs are an ideal investment, ensuring smooth performance and efficiency over the miles. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best spark plugs for 2024. We hope this guide helps you choose the right spark plugs to enhance your vehicle's performance and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips and reviews. Got questions or want to share your experiences with spark plugs? Drop a comment below. Drive safely and see you in the next video.